Hello students, we are going to discuss about Bridge Course Test number 1. Subject English, Standard 9th, Marathi Medium. Bridge Course Test number 1 is for 15 marks. Question number 1. Do as directed. As per the said instructions in the questions. A. Make a list of words and expressions of joyful emotions and try to construct the sentences and speak in front of the class. Answer is the words and expressions of joyful emotions. Joyful emotion words are amused, delighted, pleased, jump for joy, cheerful, and glad. And here in that sub question is try to construct the sentence and speak in front of the class. The sentences by using the words of joyful emotion. One example I given here. Pleased. I am pleased she is helping you. And the second word example is cheerful. His face was cheerful and he turned to me. Now B. Make a list of words and expressions of sadness and try to construct the sentences and speak in front of the class. This is question for 1 mark. Now here we have to make a list of words that express the sadness. दुःख व्यक्त करणाऱ्या शब्दांची यादी आपणाला तयार करायची and try to construct the sentences. आणि ते शब्द वापरून आपणाला वाक्य तयार करायचे. Now the list of words that express the sadness is lonely, unhappy, a sad sight, disappointed, lost, fear, upset, etc. There are many words which expresses the sadness, and the examples of some sentences is the first expression of sadness word is unhappy. I hope she is not unhappy. Second example, lonely. I hope she is not lonely. Third one example we discuss here, upset. I am upset about my friend's dishonesty. Now second question, tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. करेक्ट ऑप्शनला काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला टिक करायचं आहे. ए. जनरली वी लिसन द इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स ॲट. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर 1 मार्क. आपण इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स म्हणजे सूचना कोठे ऐकतो जनरली. हिअर 3 ऑप्शन्स आर गिवन. फर्स्ट, व्हेरी कूल प्लेसेस, ॲट बस स्टँड और रेल्वे स्टेशन. And third one is tea corner. We have to select one correct option. I think generally instructions are given at bus stand or railway station. In this question B, instructions can be given in. This question is for 1 mark. There are 3 options: statement, imperative sentence, and third one is exclamatory sentence. I think generally instructions can be given in imperative sentence. Now question number 3. Which is the best platform to get an information about career? Which is the best platform? Here 3 options are given and this question is also for 1 mark. A. Newspaper, B. Maha Career Portal, C. TV. Here this question is jumbled question and the correct answer is Maha Career Portal. Maha Career Portal is the best platform to get an information about career. Now we discuss question number 4. Question number 4 is for 2 marks. Write a meaningful paragraph about your mother with the help of following words. Here 5 words are given. The words are kind-hearted, hardworking, cook, educated, and religious. We must use these words and write one single paragraph about your mother. And this question is for 2 marks. This is very simple question. One word, you make one sentence. Now, question number 5. This question is also for 1 mark. Nowadays, what advices we read at public places? पब्लिक प्लेसेस, सार्वजनिक ठिकाणी आपण कोणते ॲडवाइसेस ऐकतो? इथं ऑप्शन्स दिलेले आहेत. ए. सिट इन ग्रुप्स. बी. यूज मास्क्स अँड सॅनिटायझर. सी. स्पीक लाऊडली. Nowadays, generally, we read at public places the advice is use masks and sanitizer because of COVID-19 situation. Now question number 6. This question is for 2 marks. Write an short essay with the help of following points. Here 4 points are given and we have to write an short essay. And that essay is for 2 marks. Which points are given here? Which game do you like? तुम्हाला कोणता खेळ आवडतो? This is a very simple question. Who is your favorite player? तुमचा आवडता खेळाडू कोण आहे? Do you participate in school competition? तुम्ही शालेय स्पर्धेत भाग घेतलेला आहात का? And the last question is, do you practice regularly? And where? तुम्ही नियमितपणे सराव करता का आणि कुठे? या प्रश्नांचा वापर करून तुम्हाला एक छोटासा एसे निबंध लिहायचा आहे. And that carry 2 marks. Now question number 7. Make a list of 4 sentences about fear. Fear म्हणजे भीती. भीतीविषयक 4 वाक्य तुम्हाला लिहायचे आहेत. And this question carry 2 marks. I tell you here some examples of sentences about fear. She faced him without fear. First sentence. Second sentence. They were filled with fear from the strange sound outside. Third sentence. His worst fear is failure. Fourth sentence. She has a fear of heights. Fifth sentence. The doctor confirmed my fear. This type of sentences you write about fear. This is a personal response type question. You frame sentence about fear yourself. Next, question number 8. This question carry 2 marks. Make at least 3 small words using the letters in the given word. We have to frame 3 small words. A. Intermediate. Here the word is given intermediate. We choose the letters from this word. Minimum 3 letters you must use and write the smaller words. Example: ATE, 8, EAT, eat, INTER, inter, ME and men, MET, met, TET, tet. These are some words. Some more words are formed here. Misunderstanding. Second word is misunderstanding. Now we are going to frame small words using the letters from the word misunderstanding. UNDER, under, STAND stand, SUN sun, AND ant. These are some words we frame by using the letters in the word misunderstanding. Question number 9. This question carry 1 mark. Complete the word chain of nouns. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. We have to complete the word chain of nouns. Here room. Room is one noun is there. Now we complete this word chain and each word is beginning with the last letter of the previous word. ROOM room. The next noun is mouse. MOUSE. And the third word is start with letter E. E for elephant. ELEPHANT. And the last word is T. The next word must be start with T. And it must be noun. TIGER, tiger. Last word is R. And the next word must start with R. RAT, rat. This is also noun. Like this, we complete the word chain of noun. This is all about the bridge course test number 1. Okay. Thank you.